What we're gonna need is stationary gear. We're gonna install this one first. So let me go ahead and install that one. We're gonna hold it 1 volt. So let's say we have that one there. We're gonna, let's say you can even put all of them. Just put up all the bolts. But for this video, I'm always showing you guys. So of course I'm not assemble the engine yet. These parts are trash. I posted on my Instagram. Nobody wants them, so I'm gonna throw them on the thing because I have many more, and then I need space. So that's why it is. You put this one there. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our bucket right here. The one we previously made some holes in there. A square here, and the ground in here. So let me pause the video because I need 2 hands. Okay, so the front iron is in the bucket. Remember to remove the see, it has the studs right here. It has 3 of them. It has 4, so you're gonna take the bottom one. So you're gonna remove the bottom one. So you're only gonna end up with those 3 studs. So it can be in there. Okay, so now from this point we're gonna install the dowel pins, and then we're gonna install the housing. Okay, now the dowel pins are in. Again, this is not the, I'm not assembling the engine. I'm gonna give you a tip, an idea on how to install the middle iron the easy way, so you guys don't need an extra person. So now this is here. Let me bring the housing. Alright, so we have the housing here. Of course, whenever you guys are rebuilding your engine, you replace your water seals. Don't forget to add the one in here, the one on the outside. Add some silicone on the edges, and then you install the housing. Let me go ahead and do it. Okay, housing is in. It goes right in. This is how it's looking. Now let me go ahead and bring the rotor. I have a trash rotor in here. Okay, once of course you have everything assembled, side seal, oil scrapers, oil control rings, corner seals, everything. Gonna be everything in place with jelly, with the petroleum jelly, with Vaseline. Now the gear is gonna be pointing down. Why? So you can attach into stationary gear. And now what I like to do, it's gonna be pointing towards me. So we're gonna put it this way, watch. So you place it in there. Let me use 2 hands, I'll be right back. So there you have the Dorito in there. As you can tell, it's pointing towards me. No matter which direction you go, if you go the other side, you go this side. It's pointing towards me. Now we can bring the E-shaft. Let me try to find an E-shaft. Oh, you know what? I have one right here, ready and polished. Have 2 brand new housings there. So this one here. Let me remove this one from here, and I can install it. Of course, every time you're installing it, you're lubing everything, assembling lube, the jelly, petroleum jelly, Vaseline. Let me remove that one and install it over there. Okay, now the E-shaft is in. See, if I spin this, the rotor spins. So I'm gonna keep it right there, still pointing towards me, right in the front. We can see it right there. Good. So now, if you guys notice, it's backwards. So you can see, I'm gonna flip it over, because that part has to be pointing front, because this is the front. So let me flip it around. Okay, now that's the right position. Remember, the threaded side with the pilot bearing is pointing up. Why? Because we start from the front. So now you can see there, that's the front. We're good. Still the rotor is pointing towards me. So now let me show you the tricky part. We're gonna grab the iron. Of course, you're gonna put the new seals on this one too. We're gonna put silicone in here, more in here, on the edges. Everything's gonna be clean. Yeah, everything. You're gonna, if you can put the apex seals before assembling, put it in there. If not, now is when you're gonna assemble the apex seals. But the main video is to show you guys you can assemble the engine without an engine hoist, engine stand, is by using this bucket. You can buy it at any hardware, a Home Depot or anywhere. And then how to install the middle plate without help of anybody else. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna give you an idea on how to install it. Before anything, remember you guys need this seal right here, the ring seal for the dowel pins. Silicone in here, RTV. I'm not assembling this, I'm just showing you guys. So let me go install the middle one. Okay, there you guys can see I have it sideways. What I did, I turned the E shaft. Now the rotor instead of pointing towards me, it's pointing towards the black, which is right in the middle. And I have the iron sideways, so we can see there. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put my hand through here. I'm gonna lift the E shaft, and the iron is gonna go in by itself. Let me try to set this here. Let's see if we can give you a view around there. Let me try this. There you guys have it. Hope you guys catch that. You guys see it? That's how you install the middle iron the easy way, without anybody else. All I did, left this one a little bit sideways, I slant it, put my hand through here, lift the E shaft, and the iron goes right in. All I had to do is push it down, and it goes right in. So where we have the E shaft, nice and easy. So then the rest you guys already know. Make sure you have the seals here, all their dowel pins, housing, rotor, the last iron, tension bolts, and assemble the rest of the Dorito salad. So that's what it is, that's how it is. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video, because hopefully the next video it's me building my rx8 engine, because the engine is already out. I don't know if you guys been following on Instagram, the engine is already out. That's the rest. Today is Friday, January what, 24th, 23rd? I don't even know what day I'm leaving. Well, that's what it is. Thank you for watching.